My name is Faye Smith and today I'm going to show you how to French braid. Section off a horizontal section at the front of the hairline and divide that into 3 pieces. Take the right piece and pop it over the top of the center piece, under the left piece, and have it become your outside piece on the left side. It sounds complicated, I know. To make the French braid attached to the head, every time you've completed one set, instead of taking hair from your hands, take it from the scalp. So I've completed my one set, I've got my 3 pieces. I'm now going to take a little piece of hair from the scalp and have it join my outside piece. The outside piece, the new and bigger outside piece, is now going to come over the top of the middle piece, under the next side piece, and over to the opposite side. It really is a matter of repetition. A big trick here is to keep your hands as close to the scalp as possible. This will ensure that the braid stays tight and doesn't end up floppy and loose on the sides. Constantly being conscious of how neat the hair is and using my fingers to smooth anything out. Anything that doesn't get smoothed out before you tie the hair ends up looking messy. When you're ready, tie the hair off with a little elastic, and now is the fun part where you can start picking at it, blousing it, disheveling it a little bit and making it more modern. This style looks really cute in a low or high pony.